Welcome to the eCam channel. This is Yuan. Today, I'm going to introduce a method to connect the cell and conduct a full cell measurement with information on both electrodes. In today's tutorial, we will use a biologic potentiostat as an example. In the half-cell measurement, we usually only want to have the information of the working electrode and apply a counter-electrode that is overweight to balance the charge stored in the working electrode. So we apply a standard three-electrode connection. Here, the potential of the working electrode is the potential difference between the working electrode and the reference electrode. That is S1 minus S2. When we have a full cell with designed mass balancing on cathode and anode, and we don't want to just get a full cell voltage change during a galvanostatic cycling measurement, but want to know the potential distribution of both cathode and anode, we will apply the so-called spectator mode. It is also a three-electrode connection with a reference electrode. The difference is we are swapping the reference cables between 2 and 3, while keeping all the rest of the connection the same. I'll show you later the connection in a later video. This connection allows the users to record and control simultaneously the positive and the negative part of the cell. As the potential regulation is done between S1 and S2, the total potential of the cell will be displayed and by default. The other parameters, such as the potential of the positive and the negative electrode versus the reference electrode, can be displayed by ticking the boxes from the EasyLab program. By this way, in the data file, the following rows will be displayed. It is then possible to plot change of potential, positive, negative, totally, as a function of time or state of charge. Let's take a look at how we'll approach this. So, first of all, swap the S2 and S3 wire, that is the white wire from the reference electrode and the light blue wire from the counter electrode. Now we can connect the red wire to the working electrode, S3 as the reference electrode, and the other one to the counter electrode. This is how the spectator mode of a full cell measurement is connected to the biologic potentiostat. Now let's select the galvanostatic cycle mode. Go to the settings and make sure the potential of counter electrode is recorded. Now you can set the conditions. The EWE here is no longer the potential of working electrode, but the full cell voltage. After the measurement starts, you can go to the graph properties. Go to the axis that's showing the potential of the counter electrode and make sure it shows the negative value of the initial value. While you're selecting the variables on the graph, the EWE is the cell voltage, ECE is the negative value of the counter electrode, EWE minus ECE is the potential of the working electrode. By applying this technique, the potential of the working and counter electrode and the cell voltage are all monitored. Before I end today's recording, I would like to mention that we maintain the channel only on weekends, as we are all researchers working in the lab full-time. If you have any questions, just leave us some comments. Thank you for understanding. The videos in our eCam channel are free and only for educational purposes and knowledge sharing. We would like to keep on updating as long as our time allows. Subscribe us and like our videos will certainly motivate us to go further. and if there's any conflict of interest, please let us know. Thank you for watching the video today. See you next time.